The tool that we are going to use to encrypt and decrypt document is called WinRAR. This is the document that we want to encrypt. Right-click on it. Go to Send to. Click on Compressed Zip folder. The document is compressed now. Open it. This is the text inside our document. Select the document. Click on Add on the menu bar. Select the document that you want to encrypt. Click on OK. Click on Advance from the menu bar. Click on Set Password. This is where you are going to type your password. You can put your password visible or invisible. Type your password in the box. Click on OK. Click on OK again. Let's open it. The password is set successfully. Type your password. Click on OK. The document opens successfully. Let's decrypt the document. Before you encrypt or decrypt, you must extract the document or unzip. Input the password to extract. This is our document. Open the compressed one. Follow the same process during encryption. If you want to remove the password, leave the box blank and click on OK. Open it. The password removed successfully.